Hello friends, welcome to John Smart Support. In today's video, I will explain everything about IPTV in a very simple way. What IPTV is, how it works, what you need to run it smoothly, what type of content you get including Indian TV channels and Indian movies, and if you face any problem, how you can contact me directly for support. So friend, IPTV stand for Internet Protocol Television. This means television content is delivered through the internet instead of traditional dish, cable or satellite. With IPTV, you can watch live TV channel, movies, web series and sport content using an internet connection. Today, IPTV is becoming very popular because it offers more content at lower cost compared to cable or DTH services. With IPTV, you can watch Indian TV channels such as news channel, entertainment channel, regional channel, sport channel and kids channel. Along with that, you also get access to Indian movies including Bollywood movies, South Indian movies, Hindi dubbed movies and sometimes regional language movies as well. Many IPTV services also provide web series and international content in one place. Now let's understand how IPTV works. IPTV channel and movies are stored on online streaming server. When you open an IPTV app on your device, the app connects to this server through the internet and stream the content directly to your screen. This content can be watched on smart TV, Android TV, mobile phone, tablet, laptop or IPTV set-top box. To run IPTV properly, you need a stable internet connection. A minimum speed of 10 to 20 Mbps is recommended for the smooth viewing without buffering. You also need a compatible device like an Android TV, smart TV, mobile phone or IPTV box. Along with that, you need an IPTV application such as IPTV Smarter, TV Mate, XC IPTV or any similar app. Finally, you need IPTV login detail like an M3U playlist or a stream codec which allow the app to load channel and movies and web series. Once you enter your IPTV detail in the app, all live channel, Indian movies and other content load automatically. You can switch channel, easily watch movies on demand and enjoy content anytime as long as your internet connection is stable. There are many benefits of IPTV. You get thousands of live channel, a large collection of movies including Indian content, sport channel and premium entertainment. There is no need for a dish or cable connection. The monthly cost is usually lower than traditional TV services, and IPTV work on multiple devices so you can watch content anywhere. However, sometimes user may face common IPTV problems such as a channel not loading, buffering issue, app login error, playlist not working, server issue or slow internet problems. Most of these issues are related to internet speed up, setting or server load and can be fixed easily with the right guidance. If you face any kind of IPTV problem or if you need help setting up IPTV on your mobile, smart TV or set-top box, you can contact me directly. My contact number and WhatsApp detail are given below or in the video description. You also comment on this video and I will try my best to help you and solve your issue as quickly as possible. If this video was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss future update. For more video related to IPTV technology and digital solution, stay connected with John Smart Support. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.